Good evening students, welcome back. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. Welcome to the Vedic Maths classes. I am your Vedic Maths teacher Ms. Garima Singh. So students, today our video topic is squares of specific numbers, as we are doing this topic previously also, and we have done the sums related to numbers which end with 5. Now today we will take the numbers which end with 1. Yes, as I have told you in my previous video that these numbers, the specific numbers are 5, 1, 4 and 6. So in my previous video we have taken 5. Now today we are taking 1. The numbers which end with 1, or you can say the numbers which have 1 in their ones place, or you can say units place, means वो numbers जिनके units place में या ones place में 1 होता है, जो end 1 के साथ होते हैं. It can be 41 also. See, this is a number which is ending with 1. So, we can apply our trick in these numbers. So, let's start our today's trick, students. We will apply our trick with the first sum. Our first sum is the square of 11. As you can see, students, that our number is ending with 1. So, we can apply our trick here. Now, what is that trick? First of all, as we have done in 5, we have to do here also. The square of the end number. It's 1. Okay. Now, second, what you have to do? First of all, you have to double this number. Double means, see, double means you can multiply it with 2 or you can add it 2 times. Like here is 1. So, the two things you can do, either you can multiply it with 2 or either you can add it twice. The answer will be same. It means you have to double the number. If it is 4, the double of 4 is 4 plus 4, 8. Or you can do 4 into 2, which is 8. It's the same. So, the double of 1 is 2. And then what you have to do, you have to take the same number. Now you have to square the number. Now, what is the square of 1? 1. So, this is your square root of 11, 121. It's very easy trick, students. It just needs practice. If you will practice the sums, you can do all these calculations orally. You will get it more when we will do our second sum. Our second sum is the square of 41. Now you can see, students, that this number is ending with 1. So we can apply our trick in this number. Now first of all, what you have to do? You have to square the last number. The square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 1 is 1. As we have done, the square root of 5 is 25. We have written 25 at the last. Same with the square root of 1 is 1. So we are writing 1. Now students, as you can see, the square root of 1 will always be 1. So you can write directly 1 at the end, because you know that whenever we will do the square root of 1, it will give 1 only. Now the next. Always 2. Now the rest part, by removing 1, we get 4. Now first of all, double the 4. What is double 4? Double means either you can add it twice, 4 plus 4, 8, or you can multiply it with 2 also. Answer will be same. So double of 4 is 8. Now next, what you have to do? You have to do the square of this number. Now square of 4 is 16. So this is your answer. 1681. See how easily in some seconds you have find out the answer of this square. Really kids, it's very easy and faster way to find the square roots. The main thing is you have to know the trick. The last is the square of 1. This is double, means we have double the number. Double means either you can add it 2 times or you can multiply the number with 2 like this. Either you can add it twice, 4 plus 4 8, or you can multiply the number with 2, the answer will be same. And this is the square of the rest number. I think students you are getting this. Students, don't skip the video, just watch the next sum also, because this is a 2-digit number. In a 3-digit number, there is some slight difference. Please don't skip the video, watch the video till last. Now we will move to our third sum. Which is a 3-digit number. Now your third sum is square root of 111. Now the same trick, but there is a slight difference. Please watch the video till last kids. Now the square root of 1 is 1, as you always do. Now what is your rest number? The rest number is 11. Now you have to take the whole 11. Yes. Remove the one, the last one. What is left out? The left out part is 11. Now double 11. Yes, as you have done in the previous sums. So double of 11. Double of 11 means 11 plus 11 also you can do if your addition is strong. Or 11 into 2 also you can do. Double means you can double the number with both these methods. You can use any of these methods. So 11 plus 11 is 22, or 11 twos are 22. I am telling you both these methods so that you can use any of them. Now double of 11 is 22. Now listen kids, you have to write only one number here. And the second number will go carry. Always, the rest of the part always go carry. So students, one digit we will take and the rest of the digits we will put for carry. Now the last, you know, this is the double. The rest is square. Now what is the square of 11? It's 121. So add 121 plus carry 2. So it's 123. So here is 123 and remove the carry. So this is the square root of 111. Students, what I have done here, in the 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit sums, there is a slight difference. What is the difference? When you will double, put the last digit here and rest of the digits will go carry. And one more thing students, when you are squaring this number, the rest of the number means 11. Here is 11, it can be 21, it can be 31, it can be 62, 25, 250. So you can use the IXI multiplication for square. I will tell you how. See, for 11 square means 11 into 11. So you can use the IXI multiplication. In my channel, I have uploaded the IXI multiplication for 2-digit, 3-digit, 4, 5-digit. You can go through those videos and you can learn the IXI method again, which you have learnt in your 6th class. So, if you have forgotten, so you can remind it again with my videos. So first of all I, so 1 ones are 1, then the second is x, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, so 1 plus 1 2, and then the last I, 1 ones are 1. So 121. Directly with the IXI method you can multiply the sums orally in your mind. In my previous videos also I have told you that if you want to learn the IXI method, you can go through my videos of 6th class. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Now we will move to our last sum. Now the last is 621. Square of 621. So let's start, students. First of all 1 is there, square of 1 is 1. Now your rest of the number is 62. Now first of all we will double 62. Now 62 plus 62. It is 2 plus 2, 4, and 6 plus 6, 12. It's 124. Now 2 arrows. Now double of 62 is 124. Now as I've told you, you will take only one digit 4 and rest of the number will go carry. Means 12 will go carry. We have taken 4 and 12 is carry. Now the last is you have to square the number. Square means 62 square. So you have to multiply 62 2 times. Now you can use, it's a 2-digit number. So you can use the IXI method of multiplication of 2 digit if you want to do this sum orally. Otherwise 62 into 62 is 3844. Now 3844 plus 12. 4 plus 2, 6, 4 plus 1, 5, 8, 3. 3856. 3856. And this is your answer. Combine all the digits. Your answer is 38561. Yes, students, I hope you get this today's method. This trick is very easy. You can do the sums in very fast manner with the help of this trick. So students, I hope you have completed all your previous work of Vedic Maths in your Vedic Maths notebook. Just make a regular study timetable and don't put your work pending. So this much for today. In my next video, we will meet with a new topic and new concept and new trick. So till then, stay fit and fine. Thank you.